Hey, yo, this is Dash, and you are joining me today at the range. Unfortunately, I'm here on a regular Friday, and I don't have much for myself, so there's some other folks around. What I do have is this. This is the brand new, to the world and to me, Canik METE MC9 LS. So, I'm gonna tell you guys what's in the box, and also do some first impressions. Oh yeah, just off the rip, it feels just like my other MC9. It feels like almost any other Canik out the box. The way that these shoot is phenomenal. No, if you want to shoot them together,
I want to try this out.
All right.
Only because I'm trying to find something a little bit better than that 48.
Okay.
Just to get comfortable with it.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah. All right. So here we go. Welcome to my box. So what's in the box?
What's in the box?
All right. So first and foremost, you see, with the Canik MC9, with all Caniks, okay, you get a holster. This is a inside the waistband holster, and before I pick this up and manipulate it, I'm gonna make sure you see that it's free and clear. Drop the mag, and we're clear. With all Canik pistols, period, you get a holster. Right now it's set up for inside the waistband holster. You can take these clips and flip them around and make it outside the waistband if you so choose. It comes with 2 magazines, as well as a speed loader. And we're gonna put this second, actually we'll leave the second mag out. You have your lock quality control thing. This is a little a chamber flag indicator that goes in the pistol when you get it. This is the toolkit. Inside this toolkit, you'll find the screws as well as the tools to adjust adjust your optics, your sights, and to take everything apart. It comes with a punch, really nice to have, and cleaning tools, as well as adjustable back straps. So the adjustable back straps, there is this is a large, this is a large, and this one is the medium. Yep, this is the medium. The small is already installed or pre-installed on the pistol. I think I might change it out. Let's just see if I can do that real quick. See how, just punch that out. And we're gonna switch to the large back strap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, coach. Now what just happened to my roll pin? You're kidding me. This is why you do things. It disappeared. There it is. Sheesh. Put the roll pin back in. Just gonna push this back down in here. Woo. All right. All right. So now that's what's inside the box. I guess have nothing else to do but to put a couple rounds in it and see how it is.
Yeah, everyone can just load a gun, but can't ever load the staplers.
I know how to load it.
That's because you work here.
All right, so I'm gonna just load this to keep it even. I'm just gonna load this with 15 rounds, nothing too crazy. And it's just MagTech 115 grain Nothing special, nothing fancy. We're just gonna let it ride. So I've gone ahead and loaded up 15 rounds into each of the magazines and got my ears on. I gotta put that punch back in the box. But I'm gonna go ahead. I usually don't shoot with iron sights, but I'm gonna leave this pistol as it is for a little while, just a little while, before I start making modifications to it. So let's get first round or first mag loaded. And so this is a 17 round mag, and I'm just gonna go ahead and see what it does. Oh, that's first shot was me. So after 5 shots, let's bring this in a little bit. Let's bring this in at 3 feet so you guys can see the target a little better, hopefully. Nope. All right, so you guys see what I did there, and I mean, I'm doing okay. That first shot was, ooh, that was horrible. But let's go back out to 15 feet. And I'm gonna keep shooting. So, just off the rip, it feels just like my other MC9. It feels like almost any other Canik. Out the box, the way that these shoot is phenomenal. And it's not something that I would have had to worry about. So I'm gonna put out the magazine. Very comfortable in my hand, even though it is very. And this is with out of the box. And I'll be honest with you, I did actually shoot 50 rounds through this the last time I was here at the range. Unfortunately, I was not able to get it on camera. So let's finish this mag out. All right, 15 rounds, everything within the 9 ring. So 9 and 10 ring, and I want to say I want to shoot a little faster, but I think I'll take my time here and shoot. I am shooting a little low and left from my target, but again, everything is within the red X and the 10 ring and the 9 ring. So now I didn't lubricate this. This was straight out of the box, and this will be 100 pounds if I finish this box. That one I shot a little high. I was almost like rushing. I was shooting a little faster just to shoot faster. All right, at this point, I'm going to, we have another 20 rounds left. What do I want to do? I have a few of my other pistols. And I'm trying to decide if I'm going to shoot the other pistols versus this pistol. But from it's so much harder when there's other people. The pistol overall feels great in my hand. It feels just like any other Canik. It is just a little over 1 inch wide, and it's not very heavy. It's not very bulky. The actions, everything feels familiar. This definitely feels like it could be something I can carry. What's up?
Are you using it?
No, you got it.
Where's the L?
This is it right here. This is the LS. Here's 10 rounds. There you go.
I just want to see how it shoots.
Well, you load it, you shoot it.
Yeah. I ain't gonna mess up all your ammo. I just need 5.
Yeah, all right, well, take 5 then. See, it's good to know people. It feels like, I'm about to say, if you want, I can pull out my MC9 and you can shoot that one too, just a regular one.
No,
if you want to shoot them together.
I want to try this out.
All right.
Only because I'm trying to find something a little bit better than that 48.
Okay.
Just to get comfortable with it.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah. They're 5 rounds, then do you? Go ahead, put another 5 rounds in there. Go ahead, man.
I keyholed them.
I know you did. I saw where you hit it, but I'm just saying that wasn't enough.
I'll show you how right at.
All right.
It's nice. I like it. Definitely a better trigger than the 48.
Oh yeah. Did you want to shoot my 48? I have it with me just to compare it.
No, I got mine at. It's like an all around better feel.
Oh. You can.
You on the clock?
No.
I call it ceasefire. Could you help me out here?
Yeah. That's fine.
Yeah, even high X is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
No problem, man. No problem.
I'm gonna probably wind up getting it now.
All right. Go ahead. Are you calling ceasefire or what?
Ceasefire!
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Please step away from the lanes. Please step away from the lanes.
Ceasefire! Boss man, ceasefire. Ceasefire. Step back.
Go ahead, Will. All right. Even when I'm not working, I'm working. All right, game on, guys. Game on.
Thank you.
No problem. All right. So, I want to say the comparison everyone's waiting for. Let's. Here, well, this is my regular MC9, and here is my Glock 48. So, I do need to unload my MC9.
Yeah, you got me sold. I might get that now.
Yeah, you should. I'm about to say, did you want to? The regular MC9 for my 48? Sure. All right, just making sure. So, as far as comparison, the MC9 are the same width, but the new MC9 has obviously a longer barrel. I'm not sure what the barrel length is. I can look on the box on the sheet. It's 3.63 inches in length. So, which the MC9, the regular MC9, I believe might be 3 1/4. Don't quote me. I don't remember. The two pistols, and again, I'm going to show that we're clear. The two pistols are the grips are similar. The texture on the grip is a little, I'm going to say a little, but I don't know if it's just because I've worn in the grip a little on my MC9 versus the LS is still but between the two of them, I mean, only thing I would want to do with the LS is add an optic to it. I do have an optic from one of my old MC9s to take off and possibly put it in here. But the other thing that I've done on my MC9, I always put a flat trigger, and this is the factory Canik trigger shoe. So at this point, I think what I'm going to do is compare the three. We'll just load up, and because this 48, one, I haven't shot it in a long time. Two, it only has a 10 round mag. So I'm going to load 10 rounds into 48. And I'll load 10 rounds into the MC9 and then also 10 rounds into the MC9 LS. And we'll see how they shoot. All right, so I have everything loaded. So I have the 48 and then the MC9 and the MC9 LS. Let's shoot with the MC9 LS. We'll shoot that last. So the 48 will shoot first, and this is just a regular Glock 48. I do actually own Glocks, or I own one. I will not ashamed to say I owned two at one point, but this is the current one, or the only one I have left. So I'm gonna shoot, let's go top left. And we already have a problem. Now, this could be because this gun is dry and I haven't shot it in a long time. So I'm going to, let me get some lube. Trying to dust it. To be fair, I have not shot this pistol in a very long time. And I'm just lubricating the rail. But Glock reliability. Like I said, to be fair, I have not shot this pistol in probably a good year, maybe longer. But after one shot, I did have a malfunction. All right, let's scene one, take two. Whew. Like, why did I count 9 shots? I forgot I took it. All right, that's the Glock. So top left was the Glock. Let's go top right with the MC9, and I'm using the magazine from the MC9LS. Let's go top right. Now the MC9, or with the MC9, I have my optic on it. Oh, shit. That last one, I rushed it, I pulled it, and you see the result. Crazy. How much better I shoot with the optic. It's not really crazy. All right, let's go bottom left. Actually, bottom left for the LS. Slow down. All right. So there's the LS. And in my bag, actually also have, we got a surprise contender. We got the TTI Combat. So let's load 10 rounds into the TTI Combat quickly. And last circle. On my Combat, I do also have an optic. So let's see how I do here. So I want to see this. So let's bring this. I want you guys to see the target. Hopefully this will show well on the camera. So a little crooked, but the top right was the MC9, the top left was the Glock 48, the bottom left was the MC9 LS, and the bottom right was the Canik TTI Combat. So as you can see, but seeing everything here, I am a much better shot, obviously, with the optic than I am with the iron sights. And I'm sure I could probably progress and get more proficient at shooting with the iron sights. The problem for me is I don't know, I won't say I don't know, but you have to kind of figure out exactly where you need to line up the circle and the I won't say in the dot, but where you have to line up the front sight with the rear sight, depending on the particular firearm. And it changes from manufacturer to manufacturer, as well as from firearm to firearm. For me, I just shoot much better, much more consistent, as you can see, with the optics than I do with iron sights. So all in all, the Glock 48 is, I'm gonna say, it's not as bad as I remember it to be. It's not as bad as I, like I said, remember it to be. It shoots. It shoots. It wasn't problematic. I did have a malfunction, but I think that malfunction was brought on by the fact that the pistol needed to be lubricated. So that's my own fault. But with, I mean, obviously on equal footing, the pistols did similarly. I am more a fan of the Caniks and the Canik trigger. The Glock trigger, and I'll just show you this. The Glock trigger, make sure we're clear. So, and I'm gonna pull it, hit the reset. There's much more travel than on the Canik triggers. And again, we're clear and free. So we're gonna rack it, hit the reset and pull it. And then I'll show you on my MC9, because of the fact that I have the flat Canik trigger in here. There's the reset. And they're different. To me, they're much better. Okay. I know this is a pretty long video. Hopefully you got the information that you wanted out of this video. Thank you guys so very much, as always, for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, give me some feedback, and tell me some other things you would like to see with primarily Caniks. I'm a Canik guy, not gonna lie.